18 varieties.
From here to here, it's all veg, and this portion is non-veg, and this is omelette, and this is veg, obviously non-veg, and that is for us. Hi everybody, this is Saachi Goyal and welcome back to my channel Dirty Issues. And yay, we have finally achieved one milestone of YouTube. So this vlog is about celebrating that happiness. First of all, I want to thank you all my lovely subscribers for subscribing, liking and watching my videos and bearing with me, of course. For those who are new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel because I make videos on travel, lifestyle and hauls and you're gonna enjoy them a lot. Today we are going to eat largest South Indian thali, Bahubali thali, and literally I was saving this restaurant or this thali for this very special moment, hitting 10k subscribers. So here I go to introduce you to India's largest South Indian thali. So few things about this hotel. The location of this hotel I'll put in the description down below, and this is called Ponnuswamy Restaurant. Second, it's located in Nungambakkam. Third, its thali price is 1800 per head. Next, 4 people can share this thali. And last is that, and it's a kind of drawback I say, this thali consists of both vegetarian, veg food and non-veg food. So if you are a vegetarian, then obviously you cannot try this. That's all. I hope you all are excited along with me to eat the largest thali of South India. Yo, I'm damn excited. So yeah, let's go. So guys, we are at Ponnuswamy Hotel right now, and for Bahubali thali you have to pre-book that thali because it will take some time and they have to make sure whether you are coming or not, and it will take almost 20 minutes to prepare that thali. That is what they are saying. And today I have come with my colleagues, friends. This is Dipanshu, he's Naveen, and we're waiting for one more person to join in.
This is Chennai biggest Bahubali thali 50 varieties one plate. Only at Nungambakkam Ponnuswamy. This is Chettinadu mutton bone soup, take house. And 2 types of biryani today: mutton, chicken, white rice, salad, share fish, vanjaram fish fry, pichi potas pori. It's called pepper chicken boneless, mutton chukka varaval, and prawns fry. Egg podi mas, shark soda puttu, mutton kola urundai, chicken gravy, mutton gravy, fish gravy. 3 types of gravy available, and 3 types of gravy are unlimited. And boiled egg, nethili fry, nalli fry, chettinadu chicken roast, chicken curry, mutton curry, and breads, butter naan, paratha, chapati, and egg omelette also. Then inside vegetarians, veg fried rice, dal fry, sambar rice, curd rice, and tamil rice. Some vegetarian.
No, they're not interested in explaining vegetarian.
Ghee, dal powder, more kolambu, raita, buttermilk, curd, keera kuttu, one more kuttu, poriyal, karak kolambu, sambar, rasam, sweet payasam, and gulab jamun. Everything.
Okay.
Thank you.
And what we can refill and what we cannot?
Yeah, we are giving extra gravies or some vegetables curries.
Okay.
So we are giving extra.
Okay, this is not extra.
No. We can
And
take.
this not. You can take.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll ask if you're interested. You can
We are
give.
giving extra charges.
Okay. Not interested, huh?
Yeah, we are giving extra one
No
more
problem.
bowl rice only. Small bowl rice only.
Okay, okay.
The rice only we are giving small bowl. See, 30 to 35 varieties. 30 varieties non-vegetarian.
Okay.
So vegetarian just 20 items only.
Okay, there are 20 items. There are vegetarian and 35 items are
Vegetarian. Some
non-vegetarian.
items both us.
And
Veg
you
or
know-
non-veg confused, but
And we do not have a full veg thali here.
yeah, we have only non-vegetarian.
Non-veg thali.
Non-veg.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Okay, fine.
Only 18 varieties.
From here to here it's all veg, and this portion is non-veg, and this is omelette, and this is fish, obviously non-veg, and that is for us. Hi sir. So he's Datta sir. Sir, introduce yourself.
I am Saachi Datta, Inspector Robotics Section.
Oh sir, it's not an interview. You have come as a friend. He's from Kolkata, so he just loved. He must be loving all the non-vegetarian fishes and all. So he's so excited. You can look at his face. These both are non-vegetarian fellas.
ये है चिकन. ये
So I'm having this lacha prantha and some dal. Dal is good, tastes good. And I'm trying this summer rice. Now this is curd rice. वैसे हम डेली सब ब्रेकफास्ट में खाते हैं. ये ट्राई करती हूँ वेजिटेबल. This vegetable I really like. ये क्या है? गंदा सा लग रहा है देखने में. ये लई लग रहा है. लई जानते हो?
नहीं सेवइयां है कलर. नहीं वो है साबूदाना.
साबूदाना नहीं है यार, ये साबूदाना के अंदर मिक्स है जो. ठीक है, वैसे हमारी थाली भी कंप्लीट नहीं है, लेकिन आई जस्ट वांट टू गिव अ क्विक रिव्यू. वेजिटेरियंस के लिए ऑब्वियसली नॉट अ वेरी गुड ऑप्शन, बिकॉज बहुत लिमिटेड ऑप्शन है और वो भी साउथ इंडियन ऑप्शन है. तो रसम, करी, सांभर, कर्ड राइस, सामर राइस, ये सारी चीज़ें हैं. तो ऑल द थिंग्स आर मेजरली फ्रॉम राइस और आई डोंट लाइक इट मच. बाकी नॉन वेजिटेरियंस के लिए अच्छे ऑप्शन हैं, काफ़ी सारे ऑप्शन हैं. आई थिंक सारी वेराइटी है नॉन वेजिटेरियंस के लिए. तो प्रॉन है, फिश है, मटन, चिकन. मम्मी इफ़ यू आर वॉचिंग दिस आई एम सॉरी. और बस अभी हमने थोड़ा सा सोडा लेमनेड मंगाया है कि थोड़ा इसको पीटा डाइजेशन करता है. मैं फिर दोबारा से इसको स्टार्ट करेंगे क्योंकि इसको फिनिश करने में कम से कम 2 घंटे तो लगेंगे. 1 घंटा हो गया हमें खाते खाते. हो गया ना? अभी मैं 1 घंटा हो गया खाते खाते. अभी मैं आपको थाली की स्टेटस दिखा रही कि कितना फूड बचा है. कुछ भी नहीं खाया हम लोगों ने.
वेजिटेरियन सारा बचा हुआ.
वेजिटेरियन तो सारे, वेज तो हमने सारा बचा हुआ है
और नॉन वेज तो फिर भी यहाँ ये खाली भी हुई है इतनी सारी चीज़ें.
बस स्टिल अभी सर ने हिम्मत नहीं आ रही है तो खा रहे हैं अभी. लेट्स सी. चल उठा, क्या उठा रहे हैं? पान भी मिला है तो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री पान एंड कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री केले. तक खाने के बाद केले कौन खाता है? सॉफ्ट भी है. That's all for this video. So we had a really amazing time eating this Bahubali thali, but for vegetarians it's a strict no, because vegetarian options बहुत ही ज़्यादा कम थे और खाना भी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं था वेजिटेरियन में. बट नॉन वेज के लिए तो आई थिंक यू कैन गिव इट अ ट्राई, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली Bahubali thali in Chennai. So that's it for this video. Please consider subscribing if you like this video. Like the video, put the like button on, and see you in my next video. Bye.